Good morning, students. As you know, I am Alka Jangir, your English teacher. As we learn about the different type of words which we denote as a part of speech, 8 type of words are there. We discuss one by one, like pronoun, noun, adverb, adjective. Now, in that case, that series, we just learn about that adverbs. Now, what is adverbs? Here, add means to plus, right? Here the verb. This is add means to plus. In verb, we already know that is action word or the doing verb. That is known as adverb. That shows that action is done by which manner, where it is done and when it is done. This is called the adverb. So let's study some sentences just now and we learn more. Here let's study the deer runs fast. The children are singing loudly. Right? These two sentences we just studied just now. In the first, the deer runs fast. Deer run तो कर रहा है लेकिन कैसे कर रहा है? That is fast, right? And the second one is the children are singing. Singing, okay? Doing verbs are singing, and here the runs is the doing word, that is verb. Here are singing is a verb, but how they sing? Loudly. How they sing? Loudly. That means they add something. कैसे हो रहा है काम वो बता रहा है. That is, it is known as adverb. What it is known as? Adverb. So definition क्या हो जाएगी? I want to announce something that this chapter is also in standard 4. So please refer both the classes student please. In 4th standard there is part of speech. Chapter number 3 is there. And here class 3, 19 number chapter is there. Here, so the definition is adverb are the words that go with the verb and add to their meaning. Verb में कुछ meaning add करते हैं. It is also said when and where the action done. कैसे हो रही है action वो तो बताता ही है, लेकिन और क्या बताता है कि when कब हुई थी और where कहाँ हुई थी. उसके लिए हम थोड़े से sentences स्टडी कर लेते हैं. For example, we returned yesterday. When we returned yesterday, क्या बताया? कब आए थे? Yesterday. So here is the yesterday is adverb. Now when he will come tomorrow. कब आने वाला है? Tomorrow. That means tomorrow is adverb. My uncle live there. मेरे अंकल जो हैं वहाँ रह रहे हैं. वहाँ रह रहे हैं मतलब there is a adverb. Come here. Generally आप क्लास में बैठे होते हो और मैम आपको बुलाते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं? Come here. That means here is a adverb. So in 4th standard, this is the adverb of time. This is the adverb of place. Understand? Where the place is denoted, then adverb of place, and whenever the time is there, when we ask the questions to the sentence that with when, then we come to know about the time. Then it is the adverb of time. Here, how can we understand and how can we recognize that adverb of time, adverb of manner and adverb of place? So here some trick is there, or you can say the rule, right? We find our adverb of place when we question with when. जब हम when से question करेंगे तब हमें मालूम पड़ेगा कि adverb of place मिलेगा. Like here, there, everywhere, inside and outside. Understand? Now when we want to find then when the place action is take place, then we इफ वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, कब हुआ था, when it is happened, then we ask the question to the sentence with when, then and then we can get the answer that when it is happened. Answer may be today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, etc. It's vary upon it's depend upon the sentences only. Now when we want to know that how the action is done, कैसे होते, किस तरीके से होती, which manner, then adverb of manner is there. Then if we want to find adverb of manner, then we question with the how. How से हम क्या करेंगे, जो सेंटेंस है उसको क्वेश्चन करेंगे, तो हमें आंसर मिलेगा फास्ट, क्वाइटली, स्वीटली, स्लोली. जनरली दिस टाइप ऑफ आंसर वी कैन गेट. Now one simple rule is there that whenever the whenever the adjective, here the adjective is loud, right, and we want to make it into adverb, then it is loudly, right. So whenever the adjective is given and we want to make it in adverb, then the rule is there that we have to add ly. जो हमारा word है उसके पीछे, जो हमारा adverb है, sorry adjective है, उसके पीछे हमें क्या लगाना पड़ेगा, ly. So we get our adverb. Here some exercises are there in your grammar book. We just solve two sentences from each, then other rest of the sentences you have to do at your home with your own, right. Here first exercise is underline. Exercise number 1, underline the adverb in the following sentences. ये जो sentences आपको दिए हुए हैं उसमें आपको अंडरलाइन करना है, क्या है, एडवर्ब. सो आई आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन easily. So here one trick that ly first of all we find, right, then we ask the question. So generally we see that ly is there here, then it is easily. Easily means बहुत आसानी से. Easy is an adjective and easily is a adverb. So first is done. Now the second one, Mrs. Smith drive carefully. Very good. That carefully is the adverb. This is all about your first exercise. Now second exercise, that you have to make adverb. Adverb बनाना हमें जो हमारे पास adjective है उससे. First is done for you that Mr. Bose is a wise man. He acts wisely. वो कैसे काम करते हैं, wisely, बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं. Here the first sentence, the driver was careful. First is the driver was careful. So ही ड्राइवर है तो प्रोनाउन हमें यूज़ करना है ही. ड्राइवर है तो उसका जनरली क्या आएगा, वर्ब ड्राइव करना. ड्राइव यहाँ हमारे पास वॉज है तो उसका हम क्या कर देंगे, पास्ट फॉर्म ड्रॉव. केयरफुल का क्या हो जाएगा, केयरफुली. Understand students? That's all about this chapter, and you do practice with your grammar book at home. And class 4 students, you do your exercise with your grammar book. Thank you.